Hello, it's Jerry Weekland. I'm right here. And I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to do a video of my dogs. So, let's get my pug. Yoda! Yudi! Look to the camera! Hi, Yoda. Yoda, look at the camera. Look at the camera! Yodi! There's Yoda. There's one dog with his pug face. Let's get over here. Here's another dog. Here's Ace. If you watch my Halo unboxing video, you see Yoda and Ace. It's Ace. Look his belly rub. Look his belly rub. Look his belly rub. Get your showing out of leg action. And here's this one. Got a big bump on her head. Here she. Shut up. Look to the camera, Sadie. Look. Look at the camera. I did not name any of these dogs, just so you know. Let me get outside and show you the other ones. Just keep right out. No Ace. Stay.
Let Ace outside.
I didn't.
Okay.
It's Bug. Here he is. And here's the fattest of them all. So, comment below which one was your favorite. Let me just go through some again. Ace! Ace! There's Ace. There's Sadie. There's Yodi. So comment below which one was your favorite one. Subscribe, like, and do what you want to do. Just please don't if you liked it, like it. If you didn't like it, like it. And subscribe. Goodbye.